atomic bomb hit here, many people eager to drink. There are no drinks, so they try to find water. So this is a kind of ceremony to give water.
So why is he with that pose?
His right hand. Left hand means the peace, just peace, and his right hand means points the sky where the atomic bomb came from.
So over there, the black monolith marks the place where the bomb fell. It exploded about 500 meters above that spot, but this place was completely destroyed. It was said that for about 75 years there'd be no vegetation, but they were able to redo it and make it into this beautiful park. And now it's a symbol of peace and happiness. So a little bit a ways from here, there was this huge cathedral that sadly was destroyed during the bombing, but a lot of it still remained, and they relocated that piece over to this park as another monument to what happened.